boys? You gonna get the boys? Get them. I'm watching, it's called the Cornell Lab Feeders. Remy likes to watch the birds. Uh-oh. I got it. I'll hold it. Get him. Get him. I'll hold it. You wanna get it? You want to get those birds out of there? Your mama's holding it. You can get up there. Want to get them? Get it. Where did they go? Did they fly out of there? Where did they go? They fly out the door? Are they going to come back? There's one. I don't know what kind of bird that is, though. I got it. You can get up there. Your mama's holding it. It won't move. Mama's got it. You can go get them. They're not going to come out of the screen, though. I don't know how you think you're going to get the birds out of the screen. Loves watching this thing. I'll put the link below in the descriptions. Oh, there's another bird right in the screen. You want to get that one, don't you? Oh, it's a dove. Yeah, Cornell Labs. They have a live bird feeder. Remy just loves it. And you see what he does. He tries to get to him. My daughter's cats love this thing too. They love to watch the nest and when some of the wild birds are nesting. Like owl. Didn't watch those this year. Remy hasn't seen those. Maybe next year, I think. No, the end of this year, I think, is when they start nesting. You gonna get those birds? Huh? You just want to get those birds? You can climb up there. You want to get up there? Mama's holding it. You afraid it's going to move again? Oh, I hear geese. Get on up there. Mama's holding it. It won't move. Move my computer over here near the couch. Got the screen on the chair. It's just more comfortable for me to edit videos and whatever. Remy wants to get to them so bad. Get on up there. Mommy's holding it. Come on. You can get up there. You want to get up there? See, look. Mama's holding it. See, no, I'm afraid it's going to move again. I'm just going to lay right here and get really close and maybe one will fly out and I can catch it. And you can also donate to this. It tells you about what it's about on their site. And they every day have these bird feeders full for the birds. And you can see there's a lake behind it. And there's wildlife in there too. I'm holding it. And for those that have been watching me for a few months, let y'all know that I've mentioned I do crafting, and I know y'all probably seen my crafting table was really cluttered. Let you know I cleaned it off today. See? I decluttered it and moved some things somewhere else and so I can get on my crafting table and start crafting again and doing some things and getting my crafting business underway. And just to let y'all know, I'm not a pig. I am clean. You gonna get them birds? You gonna get those birds? You gonna get them? You gonna get them? Huh? You want them to come out? Are you gonna let me get up? Say no. I'm gonna have to turn this off for him to get up. If he could find a way into that screen. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of birds to watch, isn't there? This is better than outside. Huh? This is better than outside. Look at that tail. It's just switching and switching and switching. You're just, oh, there's a blue jay. You're just trying to figure out a way to get in there to him. Is this better than outside? He's like, okay, it flew. Where did it go? Did it go outside? Where did it fly to? You don't understand, do you? He's got his paw up there. You're so funny. You're like all stretched out across my lap. There's a blackbird. There's a dove. Mama's holding it. You can get up there. He flew right in the camera, didn't he? It's like, I wish he would fly into my mouth. You want to catch him, don't you? You want to catch him? So yes, I do. See, Mama's holding it. It's not going to move. That's more birds than you've seen outside, huh? Oh, there's a cardinal. Look, it's a pretty cardinal. Mama likes blue jays and cardinals. Cardinals are Mama's home state bird in Virginia. Mama's from Virginia. Well, you can get up there. Come on. Get on up there. You can get up there. Come on. Go on. Mama's holding it. Mama's holding it. Oh, there's a woodpecker. That's not like the woodpecker we seen today. That's a different woodpecker. That's not like the one that was in tree. It's a pretty one. Getting the pretty colors and the markings on him. You still want to catch him, don't you? Just like you wanted to catch the one in the tree. If we had that many birds in the tree every day, I would never be able to get you inside. Is this the greatest thing ever?